Beneath the golden hues of the rising sun lies one of Earth's most enchanting and dynamic ecosystems, the African Savannah, a land of extremes where beauty and brutality dance in an eternal cycle of life and death. Stretching across vast portions of Africa, the savannah is a realm defined by its open grasslands, sparse trees, and the delicate balance of life sustained by seasonal rains. It is home to some of the planet's most iconic wildlife. The savannah is a place of abundance, a land of plenty for those who can adapt. Here, grazers thrive on the lush grasses, their numbers bolstered by the seasonal rains. But in this paradise, survival is never guaranteed. The lion, the undisputed ruler of this domain, embodies power and precision, working as a team. They are the ultimate predators of the savannah. Yet, even the king of beasts is not without its challenges, for every meal is hard-earned. And then there is the gentle giant, the African elephant, a creature of incredible strength and intellect, whose tusks carve paths through the wilderness. Their presence is vital as they shape the very landscape, creating waterholes that sustain countless lives during the dry season. Speed is another strategy here. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, relies on bursts of incredible acceleration to outwit its prey. Yet, speed alone is no guarantee of success, for failure often leads to starvation. The rains, when they come, transform this arid land into a sea of green, igniting a new cycle of life. Plants bloom, rivers swell, and creatures rejoice. But when the rains retreat, the savannah reverts to its parched and challenging state, testing all who call it home. Here, in the heart of the savannah, life continues its timeless rhythm. It is a story of resilience and interdependence, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains our world. And as the sun sets on this magnificent land, it whispers to us, urging us to cherish and protect the natural wonders that remain.